it. This is the ratchet, isn't it?
Yes, it's a small.
It's not allowed to film. We look for some other things.
It's not allowed to film.
No, it's not. you film it, you can see. And,
This one I can film it?
Here. For example, this one. Yeah.
Look at this. It's a newer one, right?
Okay, you see, when you see our tools, you have to get some specific hardness in it, yeah? To use it again and again, and so that it doesn't wear out on some parts or so.
Okay.
So it gets hardened in this oven, yeah?
Okay.
It gets even about 800 degrees, yeah? Then shocked with water, and then you got the strength.
Okay.
The problem you have when you harden something is when you have long parts of tools, or these tools, they will bend, yeah? So they won't be straight again, and he will press them so that they are straight and ready for use.
Alright, so because it's got little bend here.
Yeah, right.
So that guy, he gonna straighten up.
Right.
So we can film that one. Look at here. It's not straight. And here, by hand. Every spanner is straight on here. Every spanner.
Yeah.
This is amazing, you know, like how much detail Hazet put effort into every spanner, and maybe you are making hundred of thousands.
Every wrench will be checked if it's straight by this.
So it's like you are making hundred of thousands.
Yeah, right.
And then every spanner they are making.
Right.
How much effort they are making in every spanner? That's called quality.
So let's have a look.
That guy is straightening and doesn't give up. Just working, you know. Is he getting angry? Hello. I thought maybe he said fuck off to me.
No. Not yet.
Not yet. But I prepared my mind. Sometimes people do that one. Ah, so there's a spanner I can see here.
Yeah.
Look at it here.
We'll see later on more.
Oh, right. Okay.
Yeah. In this part you have the Tovalisierungsanlagen. Tovalisierung.
Tovalisierung.
Okay. It's just it's not nothing complicated. It's just you have some small and some bigger stones. Yeah.
Right.
Mostly of them are artificial.
I understand. Make it for the finishing.
Yeah, right.
Yeah, right.
And
Like we do with the fabric also jeans.
Right.
Yeah.
Right.
Like
Exactly.
Stonewash.
Stonewash. Exactly. And it's like a washing machine with stones just inside.
Okay.
And after this, the tools are handsympathetic.
Yeah, you can.
It's
it's
good
more likely
for
to
the
grab.
handling, but it's handsympathetic after that.
Ah, okay. All right.
And so they have a different kind of stones.
Small and large ones.
Right.
You know, I mean, when you use larger one and when you use smaller one, is it like some
when you have a
process?
small tool, you can't use a big stone because you will bend it then.
Okay,
yeah.
okay.
So you have to use smaller ones.
Okay,
yeah.
so that looks
This
like.
is synthetic
Oh,
stones,
yeah.
yeah.
Okay.
It's all synthetic and.
What is that material?
I don't know exactly, but it's not. It's just something synthetic. Yeah.
Okay.
And
Okay.
by washing, throw it
Yeah, I understand
Right,
that. Stone watched.
Yeah, right.
It's easy. It's more likely to handle. So.
Oh
it's,
yeah, I understand that.
Just
one.
soft and
It's like it
round.
make the finish also proper and even every
Yes.
side. All right.
Okay.
So can I film that one?
Yes, I think so.
Because I love ratchets. I love
Yeah, that's
ratchets.
the 916 SP,
HP, this SP. That's
SP is also good, not bad.
but HP is better.
HP is best.
so we're looking. Bye.
Bye.
Schon den Herzen oder? So, wir aber noch nie Brötchen gegessen.
Sollen wir trotzdem hier hinnehmen, was dazu erzählen? Oder?
Brötchen jetzt,
Ich gehe sonst immer hier rum.
aber
eine
können wir ja machen.
Okay.
So,
So we have just where the robots work. We can't do
not allowed to film.
Yeah. So I will
Because
I will
this
get
is our
problems when you
production
film it.
know-how.
Okay?
It's not complete finished.
Yeah, but I mean in a proper. How big is this for the trucks also, isn't it? It's so big. It's 1 inch, right?
That is, yeah, 1 inch. Yeah.
1 inch. Yeah. Okay. I just wanted to see that one. So I close.
Material inside, yeah.
I take from here first, like then you can hold that one. So this is before and that one is after. Wow. Alright.
So, ich dachte, das wäre eine Räumnadel.
Inside of the spring compressor, this is the part where you can push on your car
clamps
the
on.
springs. Yes, right.
And this one is for the bigger ratchet.
Ratchet, yes, right.
Is it HP or is for SP or is for?
No, it's P.
It's what? Look at that. This one is socket, right? Yes. Big socket. This is amazing. For the big socket.
All forged.
Yeah, all fours.
HPLG.
HPLG, my favorite one. It's extendable one.
And it's the long version. You also have
Flexion. No, not right. Okay. Yeah, that's what I mean. Like.
The marketing.
No, it's like a
Another
spring compressor.
Yeah, right. Before and after, this is the exactly size of the 36.
Yeah, so this is before and that one is after.
Yeah.
And it's like broaching, is called broaching or?
It's Räumen. You can
Broaching, I don't know. Like,
yeah, maybe.
it comes from that.
No.
Oh no, what's that?
That's the tool where you get this shape here. Yeah.
Aha, okay.
So you have for every shape you need here a single tool. Yeah. So and you will see it's here smaller than here. Yeah.
Yeah,
In every step here are
becoming bigger and bigger.
yeah sharp.
So it's like a smaller one, yeah.
It's sharp. Yeah.
Oh wow, it's quite sharp.
And you know, with every strap it gets bigger. Yeah. So and the method is the worker puts this this tool inside.
Okay.
Yeah. And the machine has to grab this needle. Yeah. And depends on the machine if it's pressed or pulled
Okay.
through the material, so that you.
So they make that one.
Yeah.
Ah, interesting. Yeah, that is very nice. But we cannot see that process there.
On this machine, you won't see much.
Yeah, because it gets close. Cannot see that.
You can, but you won't see much
Just
because.
trying to just say that one and like for the sake of people that.
Okay.
So this goes there. Okay. All right. Like, what the heck? I can't even.
Ja, jawohl.